You gotta tell me what's wrong, please.
James, do you think about me when we're not together?
All I do is think about you. When I'm not with you, I'm not alive. Mr. Meadow, you're the best thing that ever happened to me.
I can't do this anymore.
What?
I can't go home every night and have him trying to touch me. And all the time I'm just thinking about you. About us. And when I push him away, he has this temper.
What do you mean? Does he hurt you? Oh.
There were these women, you know, on the Sally Jesse Raphael show the other day. And they were all wearing disguises so that their husbands couldn't find them, and they were living in shelters. And I thought I could go and live in one of them. If they'd let me bring Walter with me,
No.
I could go and live in one of them.
No, listen to me a minute.
Someplace in another state where no one even knows who I am.
Look, couldn't you just get a divorce? And then...
Then he would get the condo. And he'd get the car. And he'd take Walter from me. He'd take Walter.
Listen, I know you think I'm just a kid, but I could never do anything bad to you. Or ever hurt you. A guy that does that to someone like you doesn't deserve to live. That's the truth, he doesn't deserve to live.
No. I suppose you're right.